Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. It's great to see you all and I hope you are in good health. Before presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Clarinsa Kireina from class 8A Design and Manufacture Engineering Study Program. In this video, as English course assignment in meeting 7, please allow me to present my final project progress entitled Design and Manufacture Crankcase jig for turning process on CNC Lathe machine. First, I want to discuss the result of the revised final project proposal in chapter 1, 2, and 3. After that, I will discuss about my progress in chapter 4. In chapter 1, there is the background. The topic of my final assignment proposal was obtained from my OJT place, which is their products that require a tool to simplify the turning process. The product is a bus crankcase, which is a component of the motor vehicle that functions as steering seat on the crankcase. Bus crankcase will be mass product with a total 1,500 pieces intrusive and continuously. For details on the bus crankcase can be found on page 59. The existing product only uses jaw so that the resulting dimensions are unstable and the production process is hampered due to inadequate clamping and inefficient use. With this background, it can be concluded that jig is needed to increase production rate and product quality. Based on the background that has been described before, some of the problems obtained are how to design a bus crankcase jig based on the turning process on the CNC lathe at CV Kireina, and second, how to manufacture a bus crankcase jig based on the production needs of CV Kireina, and last, how does the performance of bus crankcase jig on the CNC lathe at CV Kireina. And this is the research objective. For the research objective, obtain for the conclusion in the research problem. And this is for the research significance, and this is research delimitation. For the research significance and research delimitation, as I have mentioned before and explained in this chapter 1. In chapter 2, there are several literature that I use a reference for my final project. Starting with discussion of jig, discussion about CNC lathe, discussion about cutting force, calculation of shear stress, and the last discussion about the Ulrich method. In chapter 3, there is a research methodology which is the sticks to completing my final project. And this is the flow chart. You can see the flow chart right here. And this is the detail case that I have told before. After that, I will discuss about my progress in chapter 4. On the progress I have made in chapter 4 of analysis and discussion. In this presentation, I will explain that we will be discussed including first, comparative product review, preparation of need list, design concept making, selection criteria, concept selection, component detail design. Okay, first, we discuss about the first section is comparative product review. Comparative product review are conducted to determine the advantage and disadvantage of comparison product. In this table is advantage and disadvantage of comparison product. The advantage are the product can be used immediately, can be used for turning process on all product, and disadvantage are limited product availability in the company. Machining process results are not accurate, long setting time, long turning process time, difficult to repair, and limited easily. The second discussion is preparation of need list. In the list of needs that I have made, there are several aspects that have been approved and agreed by the company. On this preparation of need list tailored to the needs of company and customer. These aspects are material, operation, manufacture, and repair. For the description of the list of needs, I have mentioned and explained in this sub-chapter. And this is the list of needs. After that, the third discuss is concept design making. In this design concept has been made in accordance with the company wishes as jig for turning process of blast furnaces. In this design concept, there are 3 jigs used for 3 processes with 3 design concepts in each jig. The first jig for the outer surface process and grooving. The second jig for the outer surface process of the remaining first jig pieces. And the third jig for the process of working on the inner surface and making profiles. Here is a jig picture for each design concept. This is jig for process 1, for design concept 1. This is jig process 1 with the material in design concept 1. This is jig for process 2 in concept design 1. This is jig process 2 with the material in design concept 1. This is jig for process 3 for in design concept 1, and this is jig process 3 with the material in design concept 1. This is concept design 2. This is jig for process 1. This is with the material. This is concept design 2 with for jig process 2. This is with the material, and this is jig process 3 in second design concept, and this is with the material. This is third design concept. This is jig process 1, P1. This is the jig with the material. This is jig for the process 2. This is with the material. This is for the process 3, and this is with the material. So I have made 9 design concept for my final project, because 3 jigs have 3 design concept. And next we discuss about selection criteria. Criteria are obtained from several aspects before. From this criteria will be outlined each design concept, and the selection of one the best design concept from making design concept. And this is material. Material criteria are included in the list of needs with the selection of material that can be used to facilitate the manufacture of stick basket case. And this is the operation. This operation include the list of needs with the aim of facilitating machining in the manufacture of basket case and not need a long time for setting process. This is the manufacture. With the aim, the product easy to fabricate, not need a long time to build, and easy to assembly. And this is the repair. Repair criteria include the list of needs with the aim of when damage occur, it can be repaired quickly and easily. After that, we discuss about concept selection. At this step, we will choose one design concept as jig for turning process basket case. In the jig process 1, concept selection table, the jig process 2, concept selection table, and the jig process concept selection table has read its concept assessment metric. This is for concept process 1, this is for concept process 2, this is for process 3. Table 4.3, 4.4, and 4.5 evaluation result with the highest value of design concept. The design concept 1 selected to be designed jig basket case. So, I choose the concept 1. After that, discussion about detail component. This step aims so that the selected design concept can be cloned to details of its concept and used in the jig and picture basket case. Here's a detailed design of component for jig process 1 with the description of its component, that is chuck M208, softjaw HCOH, bolt M12 with long 125, bolt M12 with long 30 mm, and clamp with detail dimension in picture 4.15. And here's a detailed design of components for jig process 2 with the description of its component, that is chuck and 208, softjaw HCOH, and bolt M12 with long 125 mm, bolt M12 with long 30 mm, and stopper pen with detailed dimension in picture 4.7 and clamp with detailed dimension in picture 4.17. This is the clamp and this is the stopper pen. And here is the detailed design for jig process 3 with the description of its component, that is chuck and 208, softjaw HCOH, bolt M12 with long 125 mm, bolt M12 with long 30 mm, and plate with the depth dimension in picture 4.19. Okay, that is my progress. Thanks for the attention. Enjoy with my video and please stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.